Plants and their adaptations. Deciduous trees generally have a thick bark to protect them during the cold winter months. Most deciduous trees bear fruit or seed that is protected by a hard outer shell, making it difficult for animals and birds to eat them. The seeds are indigestible and eventually will pass through the animal's feces. These animals are a vital ingredient in dispersing seeds. Mosses and ferns, as well as other various epiphytes, grow on top of each other to gain the most sunlight. Colder temperatures result in a slower decomposition. However, seedlings grow on nurse logs to attain nutrients from the decomposing fallen logs. Lianas are vines that begin on the ground and rely on other plants to reach the rich environment of the upper canopy. They use stem twining to attach themselves to the host, which is the branches or trunk of the tree. Animals and their adaptations. Most animals in this biome reproduce during the spring and summer because of the cold temperatures in the winter. Some primary consumers of this biome are squirrels, chipmunks, moles, birds, deer, elk, and fish. These consumers mainly eat berries, shrubs, mushrooms, grass, and seeds. Chipmunks build a series of complex burrows and spend the winter there, surviving on the storage of nuts and seeds and berries collected during the summer and fall. Some secondary consumers include raccoons, owls, birds, wolves, bears, foxes, and cougars. These animals eat the primary consumers. Some mammals, such as bears and mice, dig out a den or burrow and hibernate for the winter, living off of their fat reserves collected during the other seasons. Human impact on temperate rainforests. The trees that make up the temperate rainforest are logged because of their desirable timber. They have huge trunks which can be used for building houses, making paper, pencils, and furniture. Logging is the #1 threat humans have on this biome because it can potentially lead to deforestation, thus having an impact on the food web as well. No shade for the animals will cause some populations to eventually die off. If some populations die off, then the other animals will either have less food or will overpopulate, which will create many more problems for this biome. A loss of trees will also lead to global warming. This biome is a vital part of the ecosystem because it transforms carbon dioxide into oxygen. Their shade also cools the Earth's temperature. Without the trees, the Earth's temperature will rise. Humans also pollute the air, which causes acid rain. Acid rain also destroys these trees.